Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can translate your PDF files into a different language. So let's say you have an English PDF file that you're sending to a French customer and you want it to be in French for them to be able to read easily. This video is for you. So to begin, what we're going to be using is Google Drive. So I'm going to come right here and write Google Drive. And from here, we want to simply open up the sign in Google Drive right up here. And what we're going to do, this is my Google Drive. All I'm simply going to do is go right here, press on File Upload, and I'm going to upload the file. As you can see, I've uploaded it and it should be right here. I'm going to press on it and we're going to be pressing on Open with Google Docs. So from here, once it loads up, as you can see, this is in English. This was a script for a video. What I'm simply going to do is select all. To simply press Ctrl and A. We're going to press on. Okay, so what we want to do is go to Tools and press right here where it says Translate Document, Translate Copy of Entitled Document, and choose a language. You can choose from all of these. So let's do French like I did in the example. I'm going to press on Translate, and as you can see, it should be translated. This is in French now for all our French viewers. So what we simply have to do now, as you can see, it's a Word document and we want it in a PDF. I'm going to press on File. I'm going to go down here and find Download. Then we simply download it as a PDF document. And as you can see, it's downloaded. So once I open it up, we have our PDF, which is in French. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.